easy when you're not feeling as productive as you think you could be to look at what you're not doing rather than what you are doing. It's traditionally easy for us to focus on the negative rather than the positive. So today, instead of focusing on what you're not doing, why don't you focus on what you are doing, what you have been doing that's achieving good results? I call this the glass half full principle. And I don't know about you, but I'd much prefer to look at my glass and say it's half full than look at a glass and say it's half empty. So what are you looking at today? Is your glass half full or is it half empty? The choice is really yours.